Okay, I have a question. Do woodpeckers travel in flocks or whatever you call it? Because if I'm not mistaken, they're out there. I don't know if you can see that. Look, right there. Right on that, right in the middle there. In the middle of this, there he goes. There's a bunch of woodpeckers out there. There's a, I don't know if it's a vine growing up a tree or if it's a holly tree that's grown about 15 feet tall and up about 7 or 8 feet. It's all green and the bottom it's not. It's not like a full tree, like a Christmas tree shaped tree. And they were all in that. They're still down there. Come here. Come here, guys. Come here. There's all these woodpeckers. I didn't know they did that. Yeah, you can see. Okay, what you're seeing, you can see something about mid-screen. Those are all woodpeckers. I thought they were they were a little big. See, that you can't see it, but I can see. I mean, I can't see them clear, but I can see a woodpecker on the side of a tree. There goes one. Come here, guys. Let's see if we can get better, closer. Come on, guys. Come here. Yeah, look, let's see. Right in the middle of the screen, there's woodpeckers. So it's the day of the woodpecker. So maybe somebody knows, the woodpeckers usually go into groups. I've never seen them in groups. Maybe two. Normally I just see one in the front yard or someplace, or hear them out in the big trees. But those are all woodpeckers out there. Come here, guys. There's one. Yeah, there's probably one. They don't seem to be right there in that, right in the middle there. In the middle there, the green part. They're coming in and out of there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, well, this is a, I guess we'll say, an addendum to the dog walk pamphlets, which we'll put out for. Sorry, Gus, we gotta wait a minute. So this is Woodpecker Central back here. Thank you, Lord, for the woodpeckers. And for the dog that's got me walking in so I can see the woodpeckers that you created. I was listening to a... Stop! I was listening to a commentary by Bishop Barron about the book of Job, and he talks about the leviathan, and were you there when Job, were you there when I made the leviathan and the beast and the when I put the muscles and the sinews and whatnot on him and the different animals. Anyway, all the so we should I guess just be thankful for all the wonderful things God did. The leaves the colors that he, come on dog, okay, and all the things that God made. Be thankful. Look at that. We put a couple of little grasses there, and now it's kind of gotten unruly, but we could take those out individually and put them into place, and they actually look good. They just shouldn't be looking good there. So while it's only 45 or maybe 50 in the sun, get out there and look for some woodpeckers or whatever beauties of nature you have just outside your door, in your yard, looking up at the sky, at the clouds, or at the tree, or in the flower pot.